Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the SIM is active and can receive SMS or calls. This prevents delays. Open the X app, tap Settings, then Account, then Phone. Enter your number with the country code. Do not omit the plus or leading 0. Once done, tap Send Code. You're initiating server validation now, so make sure you're on a stable connection. If you get a resend option, use it after 60 seconds to avoid duplicate attempts. You should receive a numeric code via SMS or an automated call. Enter it exactly as shown. If you prefer the call, answer and listen for the digits, then type them. Make sure there are no extra spaces when you paste. Hidden characters will fail validation. Once you enter the code, tap Verify and watch for the success message. If verification fails, retry only after the timer ends and consider toggling airplane mode briefly to refresh. You finish by checking that the phone field and account shows verified. This completes two-way validation and secures recovery options. If verification still fails, remove the number, restart the app, and re-add it. Many transient issues clear that way. One key troubleshooting tip: capture a screenshot of the error and note timestamps, then contact X support. That evidence speeds resolution. Keep the SIM active, and do not use virtual or disposable numbers for long-term verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.